Lucid just made a $300 million move with Uber, promised 20,000 Robotaxis, and then, like a magician pulling a rabbit out of a flaming hat, announced a 1-for-10 reverse stock split. Genius, desperation, or both? Today we're talking about Lucid's wild new play, how it might upend Tesla, and whether investors should be excited or extremely nervous. And yes, there's drama. Let's go. So imagine you're Uber. You've tried making your own self-driving tech, burned billions, and still, your Teslas have steering wheels. Suddenly, boom, Lucid enters the chat with their sleek Gravity SUV and says, "What if we go full robo?" Uber drops $300 million on Lucid and says, "Let's build a 20,000 car Robotaxi fleet, starting in 2026. But here's the kicker. The cars are powered by Neuro's Level 4 autonomy tech. That's basically self-driving without a babysitter. Take your hands off the wheel, literally, and go eat a burrito. Wait, what about Tesla, the king of EVs, the S3 XY fleet, the Optimus Prime of autonomy? Well, Elon's got a Robotaxi pilot too, but it's more like training wheels in Austin. Meanwhile, Uber's throwing down a 20,000 car gauntlet. Oof. Waymo has 1,500 Robotaxis. Uber's about to drop 20,000. Tesla's playing catch-up. Or maybe they're building secret AI in a volcano, who knows. Now here comes the spicy part. Lucid announces a 1-for-10 reverse split. You had 100 shares, now you've got 10. They're each worth more, but your total value? Exactly the same. Why do this? Because Lucid stock was looking more like a loose tooth, flirting with delisting levels. They needed to clean up their image. But here's the problem. Reverse splits are often a red flag. It's like putting a tuxedo on a raccoon. It looks nice, but you still have to ask why it's there. Let's be real. When companies do a reverse split, it's usually not because things are going great. It's because the stock price tanked and they're trying to avoid getting kicked off the NASDAQ like an uninvited cousin at a wedding. But Lucid also got a pile of Uber's cash. That's no joke. It's like being broke, but someone just prepaid for your Uber rides for 6 years. Still broke, but mobile. So, should you buy Lucid now? Here's what you need to know. $300 million is a lifeline, not a guarantee Robotaxis could scale fast, but the tech is still early, Tesla isn't out, but Uber just found a new dance partner. Reverse splits often mean trouble. So, caution is key surprise ending. If Lucid does pull this off, they go from meme stock to mobility titan. But if not, well, you might just be holding one share worth $10 and wondering what happened to the other 9. If you learned something new, smash that like button, subscribe for more market madness, and let me know in the comments, is Lucid about to take off, or is this just another EV soap opera? Either way, grab popcorn. This one's gonna be wild.